I have been using my phone for quite some time today. I should check my phone's battery to see if it needs charging. Wait, what? Oh no. My phone's low on battery. Have I really been on it for that long? I need to charge it. But here's the thing though. Pretty much all the chargers in the house are either in use or are worn down and don't charge my phone fast. There's gotta be another way to charge my phone. Wait, I just thought of something. Maybe, just maybe, I can use the kitchen microwave to charge my phone. Now I know what you may be thinking. Isn't this a bad idea? Well, you could be right. But hear me out. Microwaves radiate a lot of heat, and I know that some chargers get pretty warm when they charge devices.